BR-CO-10 is one of the XRechnung error messages that often creates confusion. It sounds technical, but the core issue is a totals problem. The rule checks whether the sum of invoice line net amounts matches the reported total of line net amounts. If this chain is inconsistent, the invoice cannot be processed reliably. The important point is this: BR-CO-10 starts with the line items, not with the final amount. First, check quantity, unit price, allowances, charges, and the net amount of each invoice line. A typical error happens when the ERP system calculates the line amount differently from the document total. For example, a discount is shown on screen, but not exported consistently into the XML. A second trigger is rounding. If each line is rounded differently from the document total, a 1-cent difference can appear quickly. Technically, even a small amount can violate a hard rule. A third trigger is document-level allowances or charges. Line total, document allowances, document charges, taxable basis, and invoice net total must belong to the same calculation chain. So with BR-CO-10, do not immediately change only the final total. If you only adjust the end amount, the line data and follow-up fields often remain inconsistent. Save the rule number, the affected layer, and the explained amount from the report. Share these details with accounting, the ERP team, or the software vendor so the calculation is fixed in the source system. A practical workflow is: recalculate line items, check rounding rules, review document-level allowances, export the XML again, and validate the file again. The short version, BR-CO-10 usually does not mean wrong tax. It means the line totals do not match the reported total. The fix starts with the invoice lines. If you want to check a file, use the E-Invoice check website for a readable technical report.